Hi, I am Yash Agarwal, Managing Director at 100acres.com. Now today I am with Mr. Deepak Chauhan, Sales Head from Shapurji Palonji. Hi sir, how are you?
Hi. How are you?
I'm good sir, I'm good. So as we all know, Shapurji Palonji is a 150-year-old brand and it is famous worldwide, known for its construction and the projects that they have delivered. So sir, can you just tell us something more about Shapurji Palonji and the legacy of Shapurji Palonji?
Yeah, so as an organization, we are a 150 years old company. We are one of the pioneer name in the industry in terms of construction. I think we are one of the best names in terms of social infrastructure and in terms of making buildings. In fact, we are known many of the renowned buildings in India, just like Reserve Bank of India, a lot of Atal Tunnel, and one of the stadium, Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. These all famous buildings have been made by us. When you see buildings in Gurgaon, many of the reputed developers have been using us as a construction partner in their projects. I won't name them, but you could see a lot of remarkable and famous buildings around you are made by us.
Yes, definitely.
So we are a great brand name in terms of as a construction partner, as a real estate company.
Sure, sir. So, sir, can you just tell us more about the ongoing projects that you have in India and in Gurgaon also? Like, what are your offerings in Gurgaon?
So, yeah, in Gurgaon, we have been present for a long time. We already delivered one of our very good projects, which is a 18 acres development with the name of Joyville, which is in Sector 104 Gurgaon. A great development. Recently, we have been awarded one of the best projects in that micro market, and we were competing with one of the very famous names. Top 3 maybe got that award. And then now, currently, the proposition or the project that we have as an offer in the market is the Dwalis.
Right.
Now, it's a great product. It's an exclusive product, a boutique project of only 198 apartments, which includes 3.5 BHKs and 4.5 BHKs. The average ticket size is 7 crores.
Okay.
It is extremely beautifully located in Sector 46, very close to Sona Road, NH8, the entire connectivity, that the main roads.
It is very
strategically located.
Yeah.
All social infrastructure is there: school, colleges, hospitals, 5-star hotels.
Gurugram metro station is very.
Yeah. Recently, काम start हो गया. The work has already started. The metro is just in front of the project. So that's the current offering that we have in Gurgaon.
Sir, right. 100acres.com has been in the industry for more than 2.5 decades. So how do you see the relationship between 100acres.com and Shapurji Palonji in the coming future?
So I'll give you 2 points. I'll tell personally, I've been in touch with 100 acres for a long period of time now, and I've actually seen the company growing, and I really like the way the company has shaped up in terms of the resources, in terms of the approach, in terms of your the number of offices that you have increased over a period of time, your international presence, and be it your participation with the corporate developers. I am really happy to see that. And obviously, as an organization, Shapurji Palonji, we also look forward to work with good channel partners who are good in terms of working with corporate developers, channel partners who are of repute, who have a certain confidence in the market. The clients has a certain confidence on them. So we look forward to work with such channel partners, and I'm delighted and I'm excited to join hands with 100 acres.
Thank you so much, sir. That's a pleasure. And one word that you would like to say about our founder, Mr. Rajesh Agarwal ji. And since you know him personally and professionally both, so
a wonderful person, yeah. I've seen so many people, a lot of channel partners, but I think he's a wonderful guy. He's a energetic guy, a confident guy. I have seen him growing over a period of time, and the way he has grown in the industry, his vision is really good. And I think excellent personality to meet, to interact, and to work with. All the best to him.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. So it was really nice to talk to you, sir. Now see you at the sales gallery.
Yeah, sure, done. Thank you.
So this was it for today with Mr. Deepak Chauhan from Shapurji Palonji. To know more about the project Dwalis by Shapurji Palonji in Sector 46, click on the link given in the description. For any real estate queries or to get information about any of the projects, get in touch with us on the number flashing on your screen or visit on our website www.100acres.com. See you soon. Namaste.